Hey guys, Joshua Peterson here, Peterson Electric. Want to talk to you real quickly today about a roofer putting on a new roof here, but then wanted to cut in a skylight. You can see the size of how you can't get in there. So I came here, when I got here there was just drywall, and then this 240 volt line range was going through the center. So I tied on some string, looped it, and then basically we'll pull it back through with the string to that area where I can stand up. And then right here was a light box with a bracket arm. It would have been easy if it was just one leg, but I had power in, power out, and two switch legs. And so I'm gonna have to cut one in right here so I can get away from this, the siding. The hardest part is, will these all reach together? And it will, but it'll be in a weird location. And then the telephone will have to be spliced. So before you go cutting and ripping into your roof, you might be advisable call an electrician, maybe tone it out, maybe he crawls up there if he can get up there. I couldn't have got in there anyways, it's too narrow. But yeah, this is kind of what it is. These last minute calls for the day can get a little pricey. So hopefully that'll help you see that. Sorry I don't have my apprentice here today. Bye.